It's forest, early morning. That sound, an animal in distress. Close, sounds bad. Right through here, a giraffe. I'm here to help. It's okay. Let me help you. That's it. You're not alone. Good girl. Trust me. This is heavy. Has to come off. Baby's coming. I need to hurry. Leverage this branch.
The log's on her neck. She can't breathe properly. Need the chainsaw now. Have to hurry. Full tank. Good. Oh, easy, girl. Loud noise coming.
Come on, girl. Time to stand. You can do it. That's it. Push up. I've got you. Up you go. Yes, you're up. Good girl. We need a safer spot. There's a clearing by the stream. This way. Easy. Lean on me if you need. Almost there. There it is.
Lie down. I'm right here. You've got this. I'm here, just watching. It's happening. The baby's coming. I can see the head. It's out. The baby's out. It's here. It's moving. It's alive. Incredible. Welcome.
Come on, little one. You can do it. That's it. You're standing already. Easy. Find your balance. First meal. That's what you need. I don't need you now. Time to go. You did it.